Talk 48, the lock always. Do you want a real nightmare? Then tonight, before going to bed, imagine this. You are repairing a machine. And suddenly, someone turns it on. They didn't know you were there. No lock on the switch. Not even a warning tag. Picture a powerful machine. One that can crush, tear, and break bones. In that nightmare, you cannot escape. You feel the flesh rip. You hear the bones crack. It happens. In factories, accidents like these occur. It could happen to anyone. That is why we must do everything possible to prevent it. A machine can start at any moment if proper precautions are not taken. Even common power tools cause accidents when they are not disconnected before a repair. The same applies to heavy machinery. Every machine has a switch and a main power switch. Both must be opened and kept open until the repair is complete. And the only way to ensure this is with a lock. There is a correct procedure. Lockout and tagout. Place a lock on the main switch. Attach your personal tag. Only the worker who placed the lock can remove it. If the key is lost, a special procedure must be followed. Never alone, always with another worker. If someone forgets to remove their lock and goes home, they must return to open it. Every worker should have a tag with their name and even their photo. No one can close a switch with a tag and lock attached unless it belongs to them. When several workers are involved with one machine, the principle is the same. Each person locks. Each person tags. Each one protects themselves and the others. Take this nightmare seriously. Remember it. Never forget to lock. Never forget to tag. The lock always is your life insurance.